Have you ever felt that your life is passing and you're not doing what you were meant to do? Have you ever looked around and asked yourself, is this it? Deep inside, you know there is more. You feel it every day. You wake up, go through the same routine, speak the same words, wear the same clothes, and walk the same path. But something inside you is whispering, or maybe even screaming. It says, this is not who I really am. But still, nothing changes. Why? It's not because you are lazy. It's not because you're not smart. And it's not because you don't have time. The truth is simple but hard to face. The truth is, you're afraid. Afraid of what people will say. Afraid to fail. Afraid that your dream might not work. So, you wait. You wait for the perfect time. You wait to feel ready. You wait for someone to give you permission. But days turn into weeks, weeks into months. And suddenly, years have passed, and nothing has changed. This is how potential dies. Not with a loud sound, but in silence. Quiet mornings, empty evenings, meaningless weekends. You smile for others, but inside, there is sadness. A kind of sadness that words cannot explain. Because deep down, you were born for more. You had dreams once, big ones. You wanted to write, to build, to speak, to create, to lead. You wanted to shine. But now all that lives inside of you is a quiet pain, the pain of unused talent. But here's the good news. It's not too late. You may have wasted days, months, even years. But not everything is lost. As long as your heart still beats, you still have time. The world may not see your light yet, but it's still burning. And you don't need anyone's permission to begin again. You just need one decision, one moment, one choice. And that choice is to stop waiting. Stop talking. Stop planning. Just begin. Quietly. The most powerful people in the world, they don't speak loudly. They move in silence. They don't tell the world what they are doing. They show the world after it's done. Because real power doesn't need attention. Real growth doesn't need approval. And real confidence doesn't come from likes or applause. It comes from doing the work when no one is watching. There is a power in silence, a kind of focus that cannot be broken. When you stop telling everyone your goals, you protect them. When you stop looking for validation, you find freedom. When you stop chasing noise, you begin hearing your own voice. And that voice, it knows the way. Winning in silence means waking up early when everyone else sleeps. It means practicing when no one claps. It means reading, learning, building, improving, with no spotlight. You become your own teacher, your own motivator, your own audience, and little by little, you grow stronger. People may not notice. That's okay. They don't have to. You are not doing this for them. You are doing this for you. Because you're tired of wasting your life, tired of feeling stuck, tired of watching others live their dreams. While you scroll and wish. You don't want to wish anymore. You want to become. Every day you have a choice. Stay the same or rise. Every morning is a new beginning. Every night is a new reflection. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. You don't need to have all the answers. You just need to take the next step. The world is noisy. Everyone is shouting. Everyone is showing off. Everyone wants to be seen. But the truth is, the most powerful work is done in private. The best stories are written in silence. The strongest minds are shaped in stillness. Don't waste your energy trying to be loud. Use your energy to become excellent. Excellence needs no explanation. When you are good, people will notice. When you are great, they will talk. But when you are legendary, they will study you. In silence. So why not begin now? Not tomorrow. Not next month. Now, you don't need a fancy plan. You just need a daily promise. A small promise to yourself that you will not waste another day. You will write that sentence, learn that word, practice that skill, take that risk, improve that habit. Even if it's only for 20 minutes a day, do it. Silently, consistently. Some days will be hard. You will feel tired, lonely, uncertain. But keep going. That's the test. Winners are not those who never feel weak. Winners are those who keep going. Even when they do. Keep building when no one sees. Keep learning when no one claps. Keep improving when no one believes. Because one day, they will see. They will ask, when did this happen? They will wonder how you grew so strong, and you will smile, quietly. Because you know the answer. You won in silence. Stop wasting your potential. You are not here to only survive. You are not here just to pay bills and wait for weekends. You are here to create, to grow, to inspire, to move, to speak, to live. No one else can do what you were born to do. No one else can offer what you hold inside. The world needs your voice. But first, you need to believe in it yourself. And belief doesn't come from words. It comes from action. You build belief every time you do the hard thing. Every time you choose discipline over distraction. Every time you wake up and do what you said you would do. That is how you win. Quietly. Winning in silence is not easy. It requires strength. It requires patience. It requires self-trust. But it gives you something no applause can ever give. True confidence. You don't need everyone to understand you. Most people won't. You don't need to explain your goals. Most people won't believe them. You just need to do the work. Let your actions speak. Your phone won't help you grow. Likes won't build your future. Validation won't create success. What will? Focus, repetition, discipline, silence. There is a time to talk, and there is a time to build. This is the time to build. Let the world be loud. Let others chase attention. You chase greatness. Because one day, you will look back, and you will not regret the nights you worked quietly. You will not regret the mornings you sacrificed. You will not regret the pain of discipline, but you will regret the time you wasted, the dreams you buried, the days you lost to comfort. Comfort is not your friend. Comfort is the silent killer of potential. It makes you soft, slow, small. But silence, intentional silence, is different. It makes you sharp, calm, focused. Don't confuse silence with weakness. True silence is a weapon, and when you learn how to use it, you become unstoppable. The world may not clap for you. That's okay. Clap for yourself. The world may not see you. That's okay. See yourself. The world may not believe in you. That's okay. Believe in yourself. Again and again and again. The path is not easy, but it's worth it. You are not just building a career. You are not just building a body. You are building yourself every single day. So don't speak. Act, don't post. Building, don't explain. Execute. Your future is waiting, not for your words, but for your steps. You don't have to be loud to be powerful. You don't have to be seen to be strong. You just have to begin. In silence. Today. And when the world finally sees what you've become, you'll already be on your way to something greater.